You know that feeling when payday is still a week away, but the bills are already knocking at your door. Gas prices sneak up higher. The fridge is looking emptier, and your phone keeps buzzing with payment reminders. It's like you're running a race where the finish line keeps moving farther away. Every step forward feels like you're still in the same place. And then there's the weight of debt, those student loans, credit cards, and car payments that feel like heavy backpacks you can't take off. You work hard every day, but so much of your paycheck disappears before you even touch it. It's exhausting, and it can make you feel like your dreams are on pause, like you're living in a waiting room, hoping for your turn. For many people, the hardest part isn't just the money, it's the choices they have to make. Do you fix the car or buy groceries for the week? Do you pay the electricity bill or get your kid new shoes? That constant trade-off is exhausting. It's like living in a world where every decision feels like a gamble. But here's the truth. Financial freedom isn't just a lucky break or winning the lottery. It's about small habits, steady changes, and choosing a path that works for you. You don't have to be a millionaire to feel free, but you do need a plan. And once you start, even small wins can feel life-changing. Imagine waking up on a Monday and realizing you don't have to work today, but you choose to. That's financial freedom. Hi, I'm John, and this is Cash Plan with John, your go-to place for everyday people learning to master money. Your journey of financial freedom starts here. If you're ready to break free from money stress, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your personal financial advisor, but I'll share proven strategies that can help you take control of your money. Today, we're breaking down what financial freedom really feels like, the good, the unexpected, and the steps to get there. In this video, financial freedom, what it really feels like and how to get there. I'll give you the exact steps to start your journey. Grab a notepad because you'll want to remember these steps. Financial freedom isn't just about having more money, it's about having more choices. Imagine waking up each day and deciding what to do based on passion, not pressure. For some, it's retiring early. For others, it's simply not worrying about bills. It starts with defining what it means to you. Think of it like setting a GPS. If you don't know where you want to end up, you could wander in circles for years. The clearer your goal, the easier it becomes to plan your route. And once the destination is locked in, every step feels more purposeful. Oprah Winfrey's story shows that financial freedom starts in the mind. She came from hardship but built her own version of success, shaped by her values and vision. It wasn't just about wealth, but about creating a life she loved. Your definition can be just as personal. So before you chase the money, decide what freedom feels like for you. Is it more time with family? Is it travel? Is it peace of mind? Once you know, you can chart the most exciting adventure of your life toward it. Imagine you've been sitting in the passenger seat of your own life, watching the road but never touching the wheel. You see opportunities pass by, but you're not steering now. Picture sliding into the driver's seat, hands gripping the wheel, and finally deciding where you want to go. That's the moment you start taking ownership of your financial future. Warren Buffett didn't start as a billionaire, he started as a curious teenager buying his first stock. He learned early that owning a piece of a company was different from just spending money on things. That simple choice planted a seed that grew into a lifetime of wealth. It's proof that ownership begins with small, deliberate steps. In America, the culture is designed to keep you buying, always chasing the next shiny thing. It's easy to fall into the trap: credit cards, sales, and buy now, pay later everywhere you look. But that cycle keeps you working for your money instead of making your money work for you. Breaking free starts with seeing the game for what it is. Shifting from a consumer to an owner is like changing the entire map of your journey. Suddenly, your choices lead to assets that grow instead of debts that drag you down. You start building something that works for you, even while you sleep. That's when financial freedom stops being a dream and becomes your reality. High-interest debt feels like running a race with a heavy backpack full of bricks. No matter how hard you run, the weight keeps slowing you down. It's exhausting, frustrating, and can make you feel like you'll never reach the finish line. But the truth is, once you drop that weight, you'll move faster than you ever imagined. Trying to get ahead while carrying high-interest debt is like trying to fill a bathtub. With the drain wide open, you keep pouring in your hard-earned money, but it's gone before you can enjoy it. That constant outflow robs you of peace, progress, and the freedom to choose where your money goes. It's not just math, it's a daily drain on your energy. That's why killing high-interest debt first is so powerful. It's like sealing the drain before filling the tub. Once you stop the leaks, every drop you pour in stays and builds up. Suddenly, you see progress, you feel lighter, and the stress starts to fade. It's the first real step toward financial freedom. When the weight of debt is gone, it's like reaching the top of a mountain and seeing the world open before you. Your choices expand, your stress melts away, and your energy flows into building the life you want. That's what financial freedom feels like. It's not just about money, it's about living without limits. Imagine driving down a winding mountain road, wind in your hair, music playing. Everything feels amazing until, suddenly, a deer jumps in front of your car. That's when you're grateful for airbags. Your financial safety net works the same way you hope you never need it. But when life throws a surprise at you, it can save you from a crash. Serena Williams didn't just win matches she won at money management too. She built a cushion from her earnings, knowing careers and life can have unexpected twists. That safety net gave her the freedom to make choices without fear. You don't need to be a tennis champion to do the same. Here's the truth. Many Americans couldn't cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing. That's like driving without airbags, hoping you'll never hit anything. One unexpected bill could throw your finances into chaos. Your safety net is your shield against that storm. Building your financial airbag takes time. Small, steady savings add up. It's not about fear. It's about freedom. When you know you're covered, you can take risks, chase dreams, and enjoy the ride. That's what true financial freedom feels like. Relying on just one paycheck is like balancing on a table with only one leg. It might stand for a while, but one shake and you're on the floor. In today's world, job security isn't what it used to be. Layoffs happen without warning, and the bills don't stop coming. That's why building extra income streams isn't just smart, it's survival. Think of income streams like the legs of a table. The more you have, the steadier your life stands. Even if one leg breaks, the table can still hold. This stability gives you freedom to take risks, chase dreams, and not panic when life throws a curveball. More legs mean more peace of mind. Look at someone like Will Smith. He didn't just stick to acting. He branched out into music, business, and investments. That diversity means he's not crushed if one thing slows down. It's a lesson anyone can learn, no matter where you start. In today's U.S. economy, layoffs, gig work, and side hustles are the new normal. Those who adapt and create multiple ways to earn are the ones who stay afloat. It's not about working nonstop, but working smart. Build your safety net before the storm hits. Imagine planting a tiny tree in your backyard. At first, it's just a fragile stem swaying in the breeze. But day by day, it grows. Its roots deepening and branches spreading wide. Years later, you sit in its shade, enjoying the comfort you built long ago. Investing works the same way. You start small, maybe a few dollars in stocks or an index fund. Over time, your money grows quietly, just like that tree. You might not notice it at first, but one day, you'll realize it has become something big and strong. Some people choose stocks, others prefer real estate, and some love index funds. The truth is, there's no single path, just like every tree grows in its own shape. What matters most is starting early and letting time do the heavy lifting for you. Mark Cuban didn't become a billionaire overnight. He made smart moves early, investing in small ventures that later turned into big wins. You can do the same. Let your money work while you sleep, and your future self will thank you. Sometimes, freedom comes not from having more, but from needing less. Imagine your life with fewer burdens, fewer bills, and more peace of mind. Living simply isn't about deprivation. It's about clearing away the clutter so you can focus on what truly matters. It's like finding Space to breathe in a world that's always rushing you. Think of it like clearing clutter from your closet. At first, it feels hard to let go, but soon you realize how much lighter you feel. Every item gone is more space, more clarity, more joy, and in life, the same is true. Less stuff means more freedom. Even people with incredible wealth know this truth. Look at Keanu Reeves. He could live in a mansion filled with luxury, but chooses a simple home and rides the subway. His joy doesn't come from showing off, but from living on his own terms. That's real power. In the US, we're constantly told to chase the bigger, better, newer thing. But the truth is, happiness doesn't come from endless upgrades. It comes from living in a way that feels right for you. When you live below your means, you buy yourself freedom, not just things. That's the path to a leaf. That's rich in experiences, not just possessions. Define your freedom, shift your mindset, kill debt, build a safety net, diversify income. Invest smartly, live simply. Financial freedom isn't about luck, it's about consistent, smart decisions. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs hope about money. What's your version of financial freedom? Drop it in the comments. Let's start the conversation. This is John with Cash Plan with John. Your journey of financial freedom starts here. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. See you in the next video.